The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, in effect from 3:05 p.m. on July 26, 2012, until 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, for the following Ohio counties: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorain, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Holmes, Lake, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Wayne, Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte. During this period, heavy rain, flash flooding, and high wind is expected. There is also the possibility of severe hail and tornadoes. Emergency preparations should be made now. Please stay tuned to this station for further updates.